Today, at the Geländewagen installation of the 20th year, we will be installing a kit with 2 emitters on a car. In the kit, we have a control unit in which all sounds are recorded, and there is a Bluetooth module, 2 emitters and wiring. In order to connect the system to the car, we need to cut off the OBD2 connector. One important point is the presence of the OBD connector, which is used to connect the car system and demonstrate its operation. Then we take out 4 wires and connect them according to the instructions. This is a plus for ACC. ACC is always connected so as not to drain the car battery. The mass, which is screwed on by the standard nuts on the body, and the can-twisted pair, which is connected directly to the car. Separate fuse for plus 12 volts ACC connection, CAN bus connection. Installation on a given vehicle takes about 2 hours. Plus, the installation of the iXSOUND system is that we don't have to use any special tools, carry out welding work. It is attached to this car using a set of fasteners. And the installation will be done without the aid of a hoist.